Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to make another account on Instagram. So if you want to make another account on Instagram, what you have to do is, first of all, you have to open your Instagram app. So I'm going to open my Instagram app here. And now when you open your Instagram app, you will see like this interface. So now what you have to do is, here you will see your photo at the bottom of your screen, your photo. Now just click on it, and again what you have to do is just click and hold on your profile photo like this and click on add accounts, and here you will see create new account and log into existing account. So I'm going to create a new account, so I click on create a new account. Now what you have to do is, here you have to choose an username here. So I'm going to choose a username like business. Earn money. So like this you will get suggestions. Insta. So now you will get many suggestions. So I'm going to choose this one and click on next, and here you have to enter a password. So I have entered a password here. Now click on next, and here you will see save password to Google. I'm going to click save. Complete sign up. Just click on registering like this, and like this you can create or make another account on Instagram. So if you like this video, please like my video and also my channel for more videos like this. So if you like, thank you.